नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आनी आयचो विशय आसा ते म्हळ्यार आमचे कॅबिनेट. आनी सध्या आमचे बरोबर अशें कॅबिनेट आसा जे काल विश्वजीत राणे आनी मॉविन गुदिनो भितर सरतकीर की सरकार कोणाचें आनी मुख्यमंत्री कोण तो कळटा, पण सरकार कोणाचें असो म्हाका दिसता. गोंयकाराक जर प्रश्न पडलो जाल्यार चुकीचें आसचें ना. पण अशें जेन्ना एक विविध प्रकृतींचे लोक एकठांय येतात तेन्ना ताचे कांय फायदे आसतात आनी तोटे आसतात. फायदो कितें, लुकसाण कितें, हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतात. चार मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर. पयलीं आसात जे कॅबिनेटाक आसचे अशें आमकां सदांच दिसतालें, पण ते अजून नात. ते म्हळ्यार भाजपाचे फुडारी आनी उपसभापती मायकल लोबो. वेलकम टू द शो. दुसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर आम आदमी पार्टीचे ज्येष्ठ फुडारी आनी पणजेचे तांचे उमेदवार वाल्मिकी नायक. स्वागत. तिसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे स्पोक्स पर्सन आनी फुडारी मोहनदास बाबोलेकार. स्वागत. आनी चौथे आसात म्हजे बरोबर काँग्रेसीचे स्पोक्स पर्सन आनी लिडर यतीश नायक. Valmiki, I'll start with you because all of them have representatives in the assembly. You don't, so I'll give you the first chance to speak. किती दिसता हे कॅबिनेट पोवन चलतलें चलचें ना, or this cocktail as I call it will work?
No, I think this cocktail is only designed for people who want to be drunk with power. And it is nothing but a coalition of corruption. हातून कोण कोण आसा तुमी ते पयलीं पळयात एक्टर्स. पयलो म्हळ्यार मिस्टर विजय सरदेसाय. Okay, he has been hinted at by Mr. Parrikar himself, has been involved in the Louis Berger case where the deal took place in his bungalow. That was the hint. As soon as he made that hint, Mr. Vijay Sardesai disappeared to America while this investigation was going on. This man, who is a real estate agent, has now been put in charge of the real estate of Goa, right, by making him the TCP minister. Next, Mr. Sudhin Dhawlikar. I think this party, BJP, throughout MGP and Mr. Sudhin Dhawlikar before the elections, now they are the strongest partners who are controlling almost half of the budget through GSIDC, through PWD and tourism. So, आणि बाकीचे सांगपाची गरजूच ना. Mr. Mavin Gudino, Mr. Vishwajit Rane and Madkekar, they were all Congress leaders. Today, the same people which Mr. Parrikar used to call them the most corrupt MLAs of Goa, they are now ministers standing with Mr. Parrikar, hugging him. You know, so हे झाला ते फक्त it is a coalition of corruption basically.
Coalition of corruption आणि सुरुवात झाल्या. सो वाल्मिकी दिसता की दिस डजंट लुक गुड. इतली वेगवेगळी तरेची प्रकृती.
वाल्मिकी आता म्हणटा की कोलिशन ऑफ करप्शन हाजेर उलयतना ताणें काही उदाहरणां दिली. आता विजय सरदेसायाक ताणें रियल इस्टेट हे केन्नाय लोकांनी ठरयलें ना. तूं म्हणटा की पर्रीकारान सांगलें. आता जेन्ना समज दुसरो कोणी म्हणटा ताणें ठरोवप की आपल्या मारे आतां घेतना बाबा तो खरो चोर आशिल्लो काय. पण एखादी म्हाका दिसता पर्रीकाराली मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग आसता तेन्ना, आनी पर्रीकारान तेन्ना काही कॉमेंट्स केले. मागीर मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग कितें जाता, दोन वेगवेगळे पयस उरले एक टेबलाचेर जोपर्यंत येना तोपर्यंत तेजे एकमेकाचें हें कळना. सो मागीर कोण शकता. लुईस बर्जर केसीच्या बाबतींत हांव एक सांगूं शकता की लुईस बर्जर जर केसीचेर विजय सरदेसाय आशिल्लो, तो अमेरिकेमध्ये गेलो, कॅनडा गेलो, कॅनडासान आयलो, मागीर कितलो टायम आशिल्लो न्ही, केस फायल केली ना. तेन्ना काय पर्रीकाराक नाशिल्लो, पार्सेकार आशिल्लो. बरें, तेन्ना सतत गोवा फॉरवर्ड ही मागीर जाला तरी आसतना विजय सरदेसाय हो एकमेव आमदार बीजेपीचे 21 आसतना सुद्धा सपोर्टिंग लेटर दिनासतना सतत बीजेपीचेर हें करतालो. सो खरी म्हणजे आनी तेन्ना तुमची हे काँग्रेसीचे जे लिडर आशिल्ले ते तोंड बंद करनाशिल्ले. विजय सरदेसाय एकठांय करतालो. जर तो लुईस बर्जर केस आशिल्लो तर पर्रीकार किंवा तागेले ते सगळी जी कंपनी आहा ती पयली ताजेर केस घालताशिल्ली. सो ताजेर केस घालतना हाजर तसो की ताचे कडेन कांय एविडन्स नाशिल्लो. ते ओगी हावक दाखोवपाक पळयताले. जाका विजय भिल्ल ना, गोवा फॉरवर्डार भिल्ल ना. सो करप्शनाचो चार्जीस म्हाका मान्य ना. आता जे कोणी करप्शनाचे चार्जीस ताजे केल्ले ते काँग्रेसीचे. हांव फक्त गोवा फॉरवर्डाचेर उलयतां. आता काँग्रेसीचे जे हांचेर करप्शनाचे
पर्रीकारान असले मनशाक आपले कॅबिनेटाक घेतल्यार तुमकां मातशें अशें कुस्तार बी जायना.
पळय, शेवट चीफ मिनिस्टर जेन्ना हें जाता, कोणाक घेवप ना हें चीफ मिनिस्टराचेर उरता. आमी ताका तसो डिक्टेट करूंक शकना न्ही कोणाक घेवप. आतां ते बीजेपीच्या हाजेर निवडून आयले. मडकईकार बीजेपीच्या हाजेर काँग्रेस सोडून बीजेपीचे निवडून आयलो. मॉविन गुदिनो निवडून आयलो. सो लोकांनी तांकां मतदान केलें आनी सांगलें की तुमी जे सांगता ते खोटें म्हण. नाजाल्यार लोक भायर उडयताशे न्ही.
ओके, बरें. सो दीस अ व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉयंट यतीश की तुमी खरें म्हळ्यार हॅपी जावपा जाय. दिस इज अ काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंट विथ अ बीजेपी चीफ मिनिस्टर लुक्स लायक. जर कंपोजिशन पळयलें सगळे जाण काँग्रेसीची आयडियोलॉजी किंवा लिबरल सेक्युलर आयडियोलॉजीचे लोक ताजे कॅबिनेटा भितर. तातूंत तशें कांय काँग्रेसीचे लिडरांचे आरोप आसतात करप्शनाचे, असलेय लोक त्या कॅबिनेटा भितर. आणि मुख्यमंत्री बीजेपीचो यू शुड बी हॅपी न्ही. इट्स अ व्हेरी
काँग्रेसीची आयडियोलॉजी सेक्युलर आयडियोलॉजी आशिल्लो मनीस बीजेपीत वचूं शकना. आणि जो मनीस बीजेपीत वता आणि जो मनीस बीजेपीक वेंग मारता तो मनीस सेक्युलर आयडियोलॉजीचो बिल्लो छातीक लावन भोवूं शकना. नाव दिस अलायन्स is an unnatural association of disparate and diverse voices and desperate voices. You see, they have all come together. There is no ideological mooring. They only have one idea. What is the idea? To be in power. Now, they themselves are contradicting each other on every single issue. Pre-elections, post-elections, they have not been able to come out with a common vision. Even that regional plan issue, Chief Minister says on the floor of the House that there would be a plan by 31st December. His minister later on says his own TCP minister contradicts the Chief Minister. So what happens to the other assurances the Chief Minister has given on the floor of the House, I don't know. But this is the way this government is functioning. It is an alliance which is most unnatural in nature. It is disparate and desperate in nature.
Okay. Michael, very frankly, as a BJP leader who has done so much for the party, are you happy looking at this composition? काय अमित शाह सांगले सॅक्रिफायस करा म्हण तुम्ही सॅक्रिफायस करतात.
सी मॅन्डेट खरें म्हणचे जाल्यार आमकां मेळोंक नासली. जेन्ना काँग्रेसीन दाखयले गोंयच्या लोकांक की वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन फॉर्मिंग द गव्हर्मेंट, समबडी हॅज टू फॉर्म द गव्हर्मेंट. So we came forward to form the government. We came forward with Goa Forward. MGP party gave us the letter of support. Goa Forward also gave us letter of support. पहिले अशें कांय कंडिशनूच नासले, अनकंडिशनल सपोर्ट आसलो. But for one person, one man who was the defense minister of this country, who was the chief minister in 2012, they wanted him to come back and head the state. So that was the only condition. So we accepted the condition. But at the same time, I will not agree to what Aam Aadmi Party leader Valmiki Baban सांगला आता की विजय सरदेसाय
कोलिशन ऑफ करप्शन
कोलिशन ऑफ
कित्याक न्ही
नो
कारण पळय हे सगळे करप्ट बरे न्ही बुरशे वाईट म्हणून तुम्हीच आमकां सांगिल्लें
ना ना you hear what I'm saying. He said that allegation was put on Vijay Sardesai. I want to know when did Manohar Parrikar or Lakshmikant Parsekar was the chief minister. He was defense minister that time. Ever took the name of Vijay Sardesai?
No, he said hinted.
No. See, hinting could have been Michael Lobo. It could have been you. It could have been him.
See, naga.
So it could have been somebody else. I'm just telling. Louis Berger केसीन खुंयसरूच विजय सरदेसायचे नाव घेवंक ना. एक. Secondly, Vijay Sardesai went to Canada to drop his daughter. I knew this 6 months back that he was going. We are friends, we are colleagues. So he was supposed to go. His tickets were booked, everything. His daughter was supposed to go.
What about others? What about others?
So he did not run away.
Today there is Vishwajit Rane. Today there is Movin Gudino. Today there is Pandurang
allegations
Madkekar.
are put.
Today there is Sudhin Davlekar.
See, let me tell you one simple thing. Allegations are put on every politician. Tomorrow, if Valmiki becomes an MLA, allegations will come on him. Today, allegations are put on the Chief Minister of Delhi. It is not true. Allegations have to be proved and you have to be guilty, you have to face trial.
Michael, are you happy with this cabinet?
See, cabinet वांगडा आयज आमी हॅपी आसपाकूच जाय कित्याक सरकार आमचो. हांव भितर ना जाल्यार कितें जालें हांव इन द गव्हर्मेंट आहा खंय तरी आहा वी आर फिटींग समवेअर. सो फायनली वी हॅव टू डिलिव्हर टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. जे आमी टॉल प्रॉमिसीस केल्या आयज गोवा फॉरवर्डान कितलेच प्रॉमिसीस केल्या, एमजीपीन कितलेच प्रॉमिसीस केल्या, आयज ते कोलिशनान ना. जेन्ना ऑपोजिशन आसलो बाब रोहन खंवटे खूब सांगतालो की अशें जावंक जाय तशें. आयज तेणी करून दाखोवपाक जाय कित्याक आयज तांकां संदी मेवलेली आसा की सरकारान बसोन
द ओनर्स नाव इज ऑन विजय सरदेसाय, रोहन खंवटे त्या वटचंद्रान उलयताले.
आयज ते आमचे वाटेन आसा, आयज सरकारान आसा, डिलिव्हर करपाकूच जाय. देर इज नो वे दॅट एनीबडी कॅन.
यतीश म्हणटालो की सेक्युलर हे जे बीजेपी होता ते सेक्युलर उरूंक शकना. अरे 30 वर्सां मोवीन तुमचे बरोबर आशिल्लो, एक दिसा तो सेक्युलर न्ही. 30 वर्सां म्हणल्यार
No,
स्टुडंट
this is all.
एक मिनिट यतीश सुद्धा यतीश शाळें बी आसतलो ज्या टायमार मोविन गुदिनो काँग्रेसचो युथ काँग्रेसीचो हे आशिल्लो आनी तो सतत आतां काँग्रेसी बरोबर आहा
राजीव गांधीचो मनीस तो.
राजीव गांधीचो
सांग, सांग,
मनीस
सांग,
आनी तो आतां वतरे तुमी तो म्हणटा की हें अशें जावंक शकना.
See, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
He's finding himself in a difficult position. You see, so he has to do this.
No way.
His leader.
no,
He's.
no.
Let me complete.
Yeah.
His leader has now gone and joined NDA. So he, Shiv Sena, Adityanath, Yogi, Modi, they are all on one table. He finds it difficult to digest, and this is the outcome.
I'll-
Now, first of all, Deputy Speaker of a house is to preside the house in the absence of the speaker.
हय.
He coming and defending a government like this is quite unheard of, because they should have sent some MLA or somebody of the party has to speak.
He is the man who is
Not a-
instrumental in forming the government.
He's been kept out.
See, see, see.
He's been
Okay,
kept
okay,
out
okay,
of the
okay,
cabinet.
okay, yeah.
Let
He's
me
been
be
kept out of the
Okay,
cabinet.
Kept out.
Yeah, Michael.
Yeah.
Yeah. The point is very simple. ज्या मनशाक घेवन तुम्ही केला सरकार त्या मनशांचेर काल मेरेन हांव ते कम्युनल सेक्युलरा भितर वतना पण तुम्ही तांकां क्लियरली करप्ट म्हणटाले. आज हांकां घेवन सरकार करतना तुमकां दिसना की तुमचो एक मॉरल हायग्राउंड तुम्ही सदांच घेताले किंवा तुमचो मुख्यमंत्री एक जो मॉरल हायग्राउंड घेतालो टुडे यू हॅव लॉस्ट दॅट मॉरल हायग्राउंड दॅट एव्हरीथिंग अँड एनीथिंग इज फेअर इन पॉवर नॉट वॉर पॉवर.
No, पॉलिटिक्सान कितें आसता,
हय
when you are in opposition you go on putting charges. आता गेल्या फावटी काँग्रेसची म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेस जे पार्टीन जे 14 आमदार आसले ते भियेताले चार्जीस घालपाक सरकाराचेर. पण आमी जेन्ना विरोधी पक्षान आसले 2007 ते 12 we had charged the government on various irregularities or corruption or anything like that. So that is the job of the opposition, and opposition has to do that.
Okay, so
whatever charges
Michael,
were
Michael,
put
Michael. Before I go to
as-
Valmiki, before I go to तसल्या तू आज दिगंबर कामती क्लीन चिट दिता, बाबू कावळेकराक क्लीन चिट दिता.
आम्ही कोणाकूच क्लीन चिट दिना.
आता तुमची बरोबर
आम्ही
येता
कोणाक
चार्जेस
clean sheet
म्हणटा.
दिना. चार्जीस घालूंक जाय, तेजे उपरांत कारवाई जाली, एक्शनूय जाले, अरेस्टूय जाले, चार्जशीटूय फायल जाले. लुईस बर्जर केसीन चार्जशीट फायल जाले. दिगंबर इज नॉट अरेस्टेड, बट Churchill was arrested. But what I am trying to say is that is for the law to take action.
Okay.
Charges are always put in the charges are always put in the assembly. Assembly in jenna opposition and ruling jenna debate chalu asta.
Speaker is not to speak
Father,
so much.
no.
You should
Deputy
only hear.
Deputy speaker is in the house. I am
Okay.
representing
Not come here to
Bharatiya
defend.
Janata Party
Okay, you are-
here.
okay.
I am representing BJP here, and I am also representing the
Alliance, okay.
MGP,
Yeah, yeah,
Sogla,
okay.
including
Okay.
the independent.
Okay.
I want to remind Michael Bob that this was not just a simple political allegation in the assembly to get some coverage. Mr. Parrikar made his political career on the power subsidy scam against Movind Gudino. He filed a case against him from 1994 to 2000. He kept the issue alive when he became the chief minister. He was the principal complainant in the FIR that was lodged by the ACB. And so you cannot just say that this was just a political allegation. Mr. Movind Gudino was arrested and jailed also. He's inches away from being a convicted criminal.
No, I'll ask the same question. आज असं दिसता की जो एक मॉरल हायग्राउंड बीजेपी सदांच घेताली, they have completely lost it today.
As far as I am concerned, I don't know if BJP had a moral high ground. In fact, some sources told me that in some internal meetings, some BJP people expressed the same thing that we are losing this moral high ground. This is years ago. I'm not talking about this election. That BJP is also becoming corrupt. That source told me that Mr. Parrikar said in that meeting that when we become as corrupt as Vishwajit Rane, you tell me. Today, that same Vishwajit Rane is a minister in his cabinet. So
Okay, I will do it. Okay. Michael, I will allow it. आज दिसता तुमच्या बाबतीत म्हणणं तुम्ही म्हणा की आम्ही करप्ट न्ही आमी अशेच आसा म्हणून, पण बाकीचे जे लोक आसा जांचे तांणी करप्शनाचे आरोप केल्ले ते आज कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर जावन बसल्यात. तुमकां दिसता की आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी सदांच जो एक मॉरल हायग्राउंड घेताली, हॅव दे लॉस्ट इट?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी मॉरल हायग्राउंड घेताली की दुसरी पार्टीची ते किती आशिल्ली तेजेर उलयना. हांव गोवा फॉरवर्डाचेर उलयता. भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या बाकीचे
तुम्ही मॉरल हायग्राउंड घेताले,
आम्ही moral high ground
असली सगळे जाण तुमचे कॅबिनेट कॉलिग्स जाल्यात.
आणि जर ताणे आता जे पयलीं आरोप केल्ले भारतीय जनता पार्टीन किंवा कोणी ते काँग्रेसीक आशिल्ले म्हूण आरोप केल्ले, कित्याक म्हाका खबर ना त्या काँग्रेसीन तांकां कांय हें केलें ना. जर आरोप आशिल्ले तर काँग्रेसीन ती हें करपा जाय, तांकां भायर उडोवपा आशिल्लें. मोविनाक लास्ट म्हळ्यार काँग्रेसीन भायर उडयला इतलो आरोप आसतना, केसी आसतना. आमचो प्रश्न असो की आज ह्या कॅबिनेटाक जर ते करप्शन करतात तर आमी एखादी थंय रावचेय बी नात. जर फाल्यां जर प्रूव्ह जाले की ते करप्ट म्हण तर गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीचो स्टँड उरतलो की ना आमी अपोज करतले. आमी हे जे ऑर्गनायझेशन अपोज करतले आमी आमच्या आमदाराक सांगतले अपोज करपाक. आमी तोंड बंद करून रावचे ना काँग्रेसी भशेन. काँग्रेसीन कितल्यो केस घालतले तोंड बंद करून रावले. ऑपोजिशन आसतना
हे कॅबिनेट करप्ट जावची ना हाजी मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सध्या गोवा फॉरवर्ड घेता. ओके, दिस इज व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Everybody is taking.
No, I'll come to you. You also take the responsibility. I'll come to you. Yeah.
See, I don't know. He's party president with the party when they decided to join the alliance with the BJP. Their party president quit the party. I don't know how much anybody is going to listen to him because his party president probably was not consulted. Now, let me answer to him. This government has been formed by committing breach of public mandate. You see, the mandate was against the BJP. 6 ministers lost, sitting chief minister lost. A mandate which was against the BJP, they have tried to connive with some people and form this government from the back door. It is a theft of public mandate.
Point Yatish, one minute. Yatish, प्रश्न हो असा की जितलो मॉरल हायग्राउंड घेवपाचो आज अधिकार तांकां ना असो दिसता, तितलोच मॉरल हायग्राउंड घेवपाचो अधिकार काँग्रेसीकय ना.
For what?
प्रेसिडेंट
For what?
वेलकम टू यू. कारण तुमची जेन्ना तिकीट दिली तुम्ही सगळे चार्जशीट आशिल्ले लिडरांक तिकीट दिले, तातूंतलेच कांय जाण ते म्हणटा अशें मोविनाक काय लास्ट मेरेन. नो, मोविनाक काय लास्ट मेरेन.
Who are you talking about?
No, including Digambar Kamath, there are charge sheets, including Luisin Falero, against whom they have made a
What charge sheet?
serious
What
charge
charge
of
sheet is there?
his
What
involvement.
charge-
Not
Let
charge
me
sheet.
hear what
Not
charge
charge sheet,
sheets
but
are
there is a serious allegation that he is involved in a SEZ
What?
scam.
Who said?
They have said it
Who
on the
said?
floor of
Who
the house.
said? They are embracing people whom they have alleged. They had got a charge sheet in which they put a helmet on somebody, said PPP scam. Then they said this scam, that scam. All those scams are now hugging the chief minister in today's paper.
Correct, but those same people.
I am not taking names, but you see,
those same
this
people
party, this BJP party has no right to speak.
Does Congress have the moral high ground to criticize them today?
Yes, because Congress was voted as a single largest party, was ensured that the governor does not call the Congress.
Okay.
And please take an individual independent viewpoint. Even senior counsel Fali Nariman spoke on a national channel. You can hear it, you can go on the net.
Okay.
He said what has happened in Goa is terrible because the single largest party should have been called.
Okay.
सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी आशिल्ली. ओके, हांव एग्री जाता. आतां सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी गव्हर्नमेंट करनासतना जर खंयच्या एक हॉटेलांत वचून न्हिदून रावतले तर गव्हर्नमेंट जावप ना. ह्या सिंगल पार्टीची काम आशिल्ली न्ही.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा, तुमकां दिसता की आज काँग्रेसी कडेन मॉरल रायट ना तुमचेर क्रिटिसायज करपाक?
काँग्रेसीक केन्ना
How can they have moral right? How can they have?
आमी पयलीं सांगता काँग्रेसीक मॉरल रायट हो केन्ना नाशिल्लो. सगळे जे करप्ट आनी हे आसा पळय काँग्रेसीन सुरवात केल्यो. आतां काँग्रेसीचे तो आज जशें म्हणटा की कोणा बीजेपीन तिकीट दिली कोणा आमी दिलो ना अशे जे लोक आसा पळय ते तांचे हातूंत. पूण हे सगळे काँग्रेसींतल्यान आनी दुसरें पक्षाचो अध्यक्ष राजीनामा दिलो म्हणटा पळय, हांगेली राजीनामाची लिस्ट जर काडत तर एक दीस वतलो. आतां जो थंय तो गव्हर्नर बी जालो तो कृष्णा राजीनामा दिता, परराष्ट्र मंत्री जालो म्हणजे हांगेले हे कोण ना फक्त राहुल गांधी
राहुल गांधी सोडल्या बाकी सगळे राजीनामा दिता. यतीश वाल्मिकी एक गजाल म्हाका क्लियरली सांगपाक जाय की अशी जेन्ना कॅबिनेट जाता तेन्ना तातूंत भितर कांय तोटे आसतलेच, बिकॉज दे आर डिफरंट पर्सनॅलिटीज, डिफरंट पार्टीज कमिंग टुगेदर. एक आर्ग्युमेंट असो घालपाक जाता की सगळे व्ह्यू पॉयंट आज सरकारा भितर आसात. जाणी एक सेक्युलर लिबरल थॉट घेतिल्लो ते आसात, सुदिना सारको मनीस जाणे एक सामको रायट विंग थॉट घेतिल्लो तो आसा. ऑल कायंड्स ऑफ पॉयंट ऑफ व्ह्यूज आर टुडे अ पार्ट ऑफ दीस गव्हर्नमेंट. सो देर विल बी अ प्रॉपर रिप्रेझेंटेशन टू एव्हरी आयडियोलॉजी अँड एव्हरी थॉट प्रोसेस. This can be the advantage of the cabinet.
This would have been the advantage if they had actually fulfilled the first promise, which was a common minimum program. 30 दीस झाले खंय तांचो common minimum program आसा. Do they know what they are doing? Already U-turn चालू जाल्ले आसा. There is a U-turn चालू जाल्ले आसा. Whether it is the regional plan where chief minister says that या तारखेपर्यंत जातले आणि the TCP minister is जावचे ना म्हणटा. Then on the day before the budget, the chief minister says that आम आदमीक चिमटो पडचो ना ह्या बजेटान आणि दुसऱ्या दिसा बजेट रिलीज करता तेन्ना 15% VAT लायता. Whether it is Lamanis, whether it is late night parties, whether it is a beef issue, they are just taking U-turns and contradictory statements. So how is this an advantage? I don't understand. It is a complete confusion. It is a coalition of corruption and a coalition of contradictions.
ओके, कोलिशन ऑफ करप्शन. एक इंटरेस्टिंग जो इन्क्लुसिव्हनेसाचो भाग आसा की प्रत्येक व्यू पॉइंटाक तुमच्या कॅबिनेटा भितर सध्या रिप्रेझेंटेशन तरी आसा. पण जर ते वाल्मिकी म्हणटा तशें प्रामाणीकपणान जर ते जालें आनी जे थॉट प्रोसेस घेवन जर डिसिजन मेकिंग जालें जाल्यार फायदो जातलो. हांगा जर मेजर पॉलिसी डिसिजन्सांचेरच जर तुमगेलें हेच जायना, कॉम्बिनेशनच जायना, देन इट वूड एंड अप एज अ डिझास्टर.
द गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज जस्ट फॉर्म. द कॅबिनेट जी आता जाल्या तितून सगळे इतले हुशार लोक आहा. दीज आर ऑल हायपर एक्टिव्ह. म्हणजे दे वॉन्ट टू वर्क फॉर गोवा. असले कॅबिनेटान येयल्ले आहा. तो म्हणटा तेंचे इम्पोर्ट करून येयल्या काय सोडून येयल्या ते जाणात. पण येयल्या आमच्या हितून आहा. वेदर दे कॉन्टेस्टेड ऑन BJP, but they were earlier congressmen. जावं आमचो मडकयकर, मवीन, विश्वजीत आता येयला भितर. So they are all working people. They know how to get works done. They will deliver. So this time there is no excuse for anybody. ना एक काम मागीर फाल्यां करूया परवा करूया तशें काय ना. Including regional plan. Everybody will be taken into consideration.
Okay. Including them. Yatish, एक गजाल की this is a performing cabinet. There are young
Very
people.
performing.
There are young people, experienced people. So this will be can performance save
performance? No, let me answer. Performance is antithetic to this cabinet. The way this cabinet government has been formed, they have no idea for what it is formed. There is no ideology. There is no thread of ideology that holds them together. They are disparate voices. You see, they themselves don't know what they are doing. 30 days have passed. That CMP is missing. I don't know. They said it is common minimum program. I hope it is not comprehensive mismanagement program. And it appears that 30 days have passed. They are unable. Looks like the CMP is loot. One word, loot CMP.
No,
looks that way.
Before we give it to prudent media, we'll send it to you. तुझे मेल आर पयलो धाडटा.
कितें कॉमन मिनिमम.
How long will it take? 5 more years?
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा.
तू फुडल्या 8 दिसांक पळय तुका पयलो रातचो मेल करता हांव.
ओके बरें. एक गजाल आसा.
नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग फॉर देम.
एक गजाल आसा की प्रत्येक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज इन्क्लुडेड इन दिस कॅबिनेट.
Which
So
point of
if they seriously put their heads together, it can turn out to be an advantage.
Yes.
Which point of view has been? You see, they don't.
Everybody.
Tell me one thing.
तू सांग म्हाका कोण ना ह्या कॅबिनेटीन. पळय बरं. Let me complete in 1 minute. See,
The
MGP is
anchor,
there.
the learned anchor has
See,
asked me a question.
No.
Let me
I'll
answer. Then you ask.
I'll put it before you first. See, MGP.
Okay. I have understood what
Goa forward.
I have understood. Now,
See from which angle?
सगळे आसा.
East and west, north and south. Rohan County.
He wants to say.
Look at this.
Okay.
People from Congress.
Okay, wait.
विश्वजीत राणे असलो मनीस आमच्या वांगडा.
बरें, okay.
शी दादा फुडले.
Yatish, the point is we have all point of views in the cabinet.
I feel
That is the argument of Michael. Yeah.
Arguments of Michael have no relevance.
Ah.
His party has kept him out from the cabinet. He's not thought fit enough to be a part of cabinet. That's the situation with Michael.
Okay.
Now, the thing is like this. You asked me that question.
Yeah.
So let me answer. This government does not seem to have any idea on any of the policy matters in any decisions. I'll give you an example. Before elections, what was the stand on IPB of Goa Forward? What was the stand of BJP? MOI, what was their stand? So many issues. ODP, what was their stand? 30 days have passed. They were people in great hurry, as they say. 30 days have passed. What is their stand? One simple issue. Budget promise जर एक minister contradict करता CMांक, you know where they have begun, on what note they have begun.
ओके. हो इश्यू सामको महत्वाचा की मेजर पॉलिसी डिसिजन्साचेर तुमचे सगळ्यांची तकली 4 दिशी नाशिल्ल्यो. आता कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम ह्या नावा सकल तू एककडे येवपाक शकता
हय,
पळय डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या मुद्द्याचेर घडया तुम्ही एककडे येयात डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर
एक मुद्द्याचेर पळय गोंयकार हो एक मुद्द्याचेर म्हणजे गोंयकाराचो
तो डेव्हलपमेंटाचो मुद्दो तो
नाही, नाही,
ते
development
सोडल्यार
नाही, ना,
डेव्हलपमेंट सोडल्यार
develop-
आनी खंयची
ना,
इश्यूचेर तुम्ही एकठांय येवपाक शकतात
गोंयकाराचो डेव्हलपमेंट आता जशें वाल्मिक बाबान सांगले की बिफाचेर आमगे क्लियर स्टँड आहा जो बीजेपी एग्री आहा की बीफ बॅन जावचें ना गोंयांत कोण सांगलो बीफ बॅन
केन्नाच
जाता
जावचें ना.
खावपाचे जे कोणाली संवय आहा पळय त्यो ज्यो लोकांचे आहा त्यो तश्यो उरतल्यो सो त्यो जावपाच ना म्हणजे आमगेले दोगांले एक मत अशें चल्लां अशें प्रत्येक प्रश्नाचेर आमगेले आता जे काही चड अशें की डिफरन्स जातले की
क्लिष्ट
आता-
प्रश्न आहा सारके.
क्लिष्ट प्रश्न जे आता उरता एका ते एखादी पेल्यान उरत पूण कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम घेतना जे लोकांच्या गोंयसाठी जे म्हत्वाचे आसात तेच आमी घेतले
मायकल हो इम्पॉर्टंट
See,
प्रश्न
all these
मेजर
issues,
सी मायकल एक गजाल व्हेरी क्लियर लेट मी बी व्हेरी फ्रँक ऑन दिस तुम्ही लोकांक फाटले एपे स्किमी दिल्यो तुम्ही लोकांक सांगले की आम्ही इतलो डेव्हलपमेंट केला तरी लोकांनी तुमकां 21 वेल्यान 13 हाडून बसयले सो पीपल शुअरली वॉन्टेड मोर क्लॅरिटी ऑन द मेजर पॉलिसी डिसिजन्स दॅट विल डिसाइड द फ्युचर ऑफ द स्टेट आज कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम करतना तुम्ही परत फक्त डेव्हलपमेंट उलयतात
No, no.
तुम्ही आज या मेजर पॉलिसींचे एकठांय येवपाक
See,
शकतात
I'll tell you something. Common minimum program is not only for development; it is for all these issues. Issues like regional plan, issues what he's saying like ODPs, SEZ, the Mopa Airport, the medium of instruction, Dabolim.
हे सगळे कॉमन
Dabolim
मिनिमम
will
प्रोग्रामा
remain.
भितर
Yeah,
येतले
all these things are part of the common minimum program. I will send him first.
ओके
तेका पयलो धाडचो पडलो. Opposition
ओके
म्हणटा.
म्हाका म्हाका राव, वाल्मिकी
मायकल बाब जेन्ना म्हणटा दॅट वी हॅव सम यंग परफॉर्मिंग हॉर्सेस न्ही
हय.
दोज हॉर्सेस आर पुलिंग इन डिफरंट डायरेक्शन
No, nobody will pull in different directions. We have a leader called Manohar Parrikar.
Okay.
He will keep everybody together.
Every horse in the stable.
And
Every horse in the
he is the
stable.
main horse in front.
Okay.
हे सगळे साइडीक असते.
हा बरें
लीडर हॉर्स
यतीश यतीश म्हाका
धावता पळयता घोडो. धावता पळयता घोडो.
Okay.
आमचे कडेन बसलेलो.
यतीश
There is not just
Intelligent.
I call this a coalition of contradiction. There is not just a rift between the allies, म्हणजे Goa Forward versus MGP versus BJP. तितलेच ना, within the parties also there are rifts. In the late night party issue, what did Mr. Palekar say and what did Mr. Vijay Desai say? Completely opposite things. So, Mr. Vijay Sardesai said that late night parties will continue.
No,
within
no,
the
no,
tourist
you are
spot.
wrong.
Yes,
You are
of course
wrong.
he said.
Late night party
And
continue.
and
Only
Mr.
party
Vinod Palekar said that we will.
म्हाका एकच
Special
गजाल.
zone
म्हाका एक फायनल यतीश व्हॉट इज युअर वन लाईन सजेशन टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर अँड द कॅबिनेट राईट नाव
You see, this cabinet has got disparate
Suggestion,
voices.
huh?
This cabinet has got disparate voices.
Aye.
They should now, BJP should know through a call from its conscience that we have committed theft of public mandate. You see, we are not voted to
What
be
are you
in
asking
power.
cabinet resign?
I am telling them that
What is the suggestion?
ask your conscience and feel
Step
that
down,
you are not voted to be in power.
So you are asking them
You
to
were
step
voted
down.
out. You have no
No,
right
no, no,
to
I'll
be
come to you. I'll come to you. I'll come to you.
You have no right to be
Okay,
in power.
okay. Valmiki, one suggestion to this cabinet in the interest of Goa.
No, I'll say what we said before the elections also, that neither Congress nor the BJP has the moral right to be in power, and the people have shown it. There should be re-elections, I feel.
Okay, there should be elections. Okay. One suggestion to your own cabinet, जे सामकी महत्वाचे आसा गोंया खातीर.
हय
What is the suggestion?
गोंयचे खातीर
हय गोंयचे खातीर.
गोंयचे खातीर पळय आता जे यंग कॅबिनेट आसा सगळे
हय.
आणि गोंयचे जे महत्वाचे घटक आसात ते सगळे एक कडेन आसात म्हणजे सेक्युलर लोक आसात आता तुम्ही जशें करता म्हणटा एमजी आपल्यालो जो कितें रायटिस्ट आहा पळय ते पेल्यान दोन भितर येतलो म्हणजे
No, यतीश.
अरे दीपक ढवळीकर कोण अरे
Deepak is not a-
दोन
he is
सांगता
the party president of MGP.
अरे दीपक ढवळीकर
He's a party president of MGP.
दीपक ढवळीकर मिनिस्ट्रीक ना दीपक ढवळीकर ऐकय
The मोहनदास भाऊ सजेशन कितें? सजेशन इज कितें की राईट विंग लेफ्ट विंग सगळे कुशीक दवरया.
सगळे दोन जे आसा पळय
हय.
ते एक कडेन येतले आणि गोंयचे बरो जो प्रोग्राम आहा तोच घेतले
ओके मायकल फायनल वन सजेशन टू युअर कॅबिनेट.
See, this government will last for 5 years.
That is not a
No,
suggestion.
no, this is, I'm just telling, this government will last for 5 years. All these people who are saying that it should be
Aye.
new,
Step down.
nothing.
Aye.
This government will last for 5 years. We have good people in the cabinet who will deliver for Goa, for Goans.
Okay.
आणि जोर तर गोंयकारांक हे दिसले की हे सारखे ना आम्ही हा
ओके
कितें करूंक जाय ते करूया.
बरें
I will tell you, this will be one of the best governance which Goa have ever seen for the last 25 years. Best governance.
हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता. म्हाका दिसता लोकांची सद्या अपेक्षा इतलीच आसा की मॅन्डेट जरी रिस्पेक्ट केलो ना तरी संविधानाक मातसो रिस्पेक्ट करून राज्य सारकें चलोवचें, इतलेच सध्या लोकांची माफक अपेक्षा आसा. ती जरी जाली म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार मातसो तरी सॅटिस्फायड जातलो, जो सध्या सामको रागार आनी फुगार जाला. आयले सगळे जाण तुम्ही इतली बरी भशेन मतां मांडली. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.